New at 5, the Michael Jackson wrongful death trial turns into a battle of hired experts. Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez says consultants for both sides are challenging each other about Jackson's chances of survival and how much money he would have made had he lived.
Was Michael Jackson on course to make $1 billion+ in an expanded global tour? Or was it more likely he would call it quits when his comeback show was done? Today, jurors heard another opinion, a doctor for the plaintiffs who has not appeared, but whose opinion was referenced, that had Michael Jackson survived his propofol overdose, the star still would have died within a week due to the treatment by his doctor, Conrad Murray. The statement emerged as jurors in Katherine Jackson's lawsuit against AEG view a battle of the experts. Jackson attorney Brian Panish took aim to discredit AEG expert Eric Briggs, zeroing in on the role of Dr. Murray. The Jacksons allege that AEG hired the doctor and that AEG is liable. About the opinion that Jackson would live only a week, Panish asked Briggs, "Dr. Murray was a big risk to his health, wasn't he, sir? If you took a fit and competent doctor, couldn't you have removed that risk?" Briggs, "It would be hard to say how many other risks would still persist." Panish questioned Briggs' qualifications. Panish, "In fact, you have never come to court and given an opinion in a wrongful death case." Briggs, "I have never done that." Briggs assesses risks for entertainment projects. In defense of AEG, he attacked the numbers presented by the Jackson expert, accountant Arthur Irk. Irk projected that Jackson would make $1.65 billion for 260 shows, assuming the star would agree to extend his tour and that the shows would be sellouts. Briggs called the projections speculative. He cited a report that stated that Jackson's likability declined from 1993, that 7 times more people had a negative impression of him than those with a positive impression, that album sales plunged after Thriller set a record in 1982. Cross-examination continues tomorrow. Miriam Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.